Welcome to the best pick. The best Coleman Cooler is probably one of the most essential pieces of gear for any outdoor enthusiast, whether you're heading to a backyard barbecue, a camping trip, or a day at the beach, offering unparalleled performance in keeping your food and drinks refreshingly cold for extended periods, making it a reliable companion for all your adventures. Number 5. TOURIT Lightweight Insulated Cooler Backpack. Never worry about spills again. Our high-density insulation and leak-proof liner keep your food perfectly hot or cold for up to 16 hours. This backpack offers ample space, holding up to 30 cans. It's designed to fit all your essentials comfortably. Stay organized with a roomy main compartment, convenient side mesh pockets, and multiple front zipper pockets. Everything has its place. Crafted from waterproof and durable fabric, it's incredibly light. This makes it ideal for any adventure you embark on. Beyond its cooling capabilities, it doubles as a stylish lunch or daily pack. It's perfect for work, picnics, or travel. This versatile and functional backpack makes an excellent gift for both men and women. It's a thoughtful choice for any occasion. What we like. This backpack cooler offers excellent leak-proof insulation, keeping your items cold for up to 16 hours. It boasts a large capacity, fitting up to 30 cans, and features multiple pockets for organized storage. If you're looking for a versatile backpack for picnics, hiking, or work, this is a great choice due to its balance of capacity and organization. What people say. This is the first backpack cooler I've owned that doesn't leave water everywhere. Even with ice inside, it stays dry on the outside and keeps everything contained. The backpack design makes it easy and comfortable to carry, whether we're heading to the beach, a game, a picnic, or a day trip. The straps are comfortable, even when it's fully loaded. It does a great job keeping drinks and food cold for hours. Perfect for long days when you want everything to stay chilled. Number 4. Everlasting Comfort Insulated Backpack Cooler. This insulated backpack cooler boasts a spacious interior, capable of holding up to 54 cans. It features a leak-proof liner and waterproof zippers, ensuring it's built to last. Ideal for day trips, this cooler bag is designed for comfort with padded, adjustable straps and a convenient handle. It's the perfect portable travel companion. Crafted with premium materials and reinforced stitching, this backpack cooler is made to withstand the elements. Its heavy-duty bottom ensures durability, even on sandy beaches. Enjoy up to 24 hours of cooling performance thanks to its thick insulation and PVA liner. It effectively resists leaks, keeping your food and drinks perfectly chilled. Stay organized with its smart multi-compartment layout. It includes dual bottle holders, a front storage pocket, and a keychain opener for added convenience without extra bulk. What we like. This cooler backpack provides exceptional cooling for up to 24 hours, thanks to its thick insulation and leak-resistant liner. It's designed with wider, padded straps for comfort and built with premium materials for longevity. If you need a reliable cooler for long beach days or camping trips where extended cooling is essential, this one is ideal. What people say. This thing is leak-proof, durable, and probably more reliable than your best friend. First off, the sheer capacity of this backpack is mind-blowing. I'm talking 54 cans and 4 pounds of ice. The front pocket is perfect for all the little things that usually get lost in the abyss of a cooler. But let's not forget the side pockets. I know you're thinking, side pockets, cool, whatever, but these are wine bottle pockets. This cooler doesn't let me down when it comes to freshness. It'll keep your drinks cold or your food warm for a whole day. With padded straps and a carrying handle, this cooler is easier to haul than my pet dog. The bottom is reinforced to withstand whatever rough treatment you throw at it, and the whole thing is built like a tank. This backpack cooler is amazing. I'm a baseball mom, so we spend a lot of time driving, near and far, for baseball games. I currently carry a snack bag in my car but was previously unable to carry cold drinks or items that needed to remain cool as to not spoil, without lugging around a bulky cooler. This backpack cooler is so perfect for all my snack and drink necessities. Perfect for road trip vacations too. With it being a backpack, it frees up my arms and hands to carry everything else. I'm really impressed with this insulated backpack cooler. It's perfect for day trips, picnics, or beach outings. The insulation works great, my drinks and food stayed cold for hours with just a couple of ice packs. What I love most is how comfortable it is to carry. The padded shoulder straps make a big difference, especially when the bag is full. It distributes the weight nicely and feels much easier to carry compared to traditional coolers. The backpack design also keeps your hands free, which is super convenient. There's plenty of space inside, and the compartments are well thought out for organizing snacks, drinks, and small essentials. The material feels sturdy and well made, and the zippers glide smoothly without getting stuck. Number 3. TOURIT Small Soft Cooler Bag. Introducing the TOURIT Small Soft Cooler Bag, your perfect companion for keeping food and drinks cold. It offers a generous 14.6 L capacity, easily holding up to 24 cans. Enjoy your refreshments at the perfect temperature for up to 12 hours. Its advanced insulation technology ensures your food and drinks stay chilled, with separate compartments for liquids and dry snacks. Worry no more about spills. This cooler features a high-density, waterproof PVA inner lining that's also easy to clean. The durable Oxford cloth exterior is built to last. Carry it your way. With a padded handle and a detachable shoulder strap, you have 3 convenient carrying options. Plus, external pockets and an elastic rope offer extra storage. Whether it's a picnic, beach day, camping trip, or your daily work commute, this cooler is ideal. It's designed to keep your lunches, snacks, and drinks cool and fresh wherever you go. What we like. This small cooler bag is perfect for those who need a compact yet effective cooling solution, keeping items cold for up to 12 hours. Its unique dual insulated sections allow for separating different types of food. If you are looking for a lunch bag for work or a small cooler for short trips where keeping items separate is a priority, this is the one for you. What people say. Keeps my stuff cold all day, lots of room. Like the front and side pockets as well for things I don't want to be cold. It kept drinks and snacks ice cold for hours on our beach day and held up nicely during a weekend hike. The insulation is thick and durable, and the zipper seals tightly to lock in the chill. The ice pack retention lasts long enough for a 12+ hour trip, easily. With the handles and it being able to collapse when I am not using it, it is super functional and easy to store, use, and transport. Number 2. Coleman Evanston 6-person tent with screen room. Introducing the Coleman Evanston tent, designed for your next adventure. It offers ample space for up to 6 people, comfortably fitting 2 queen-size airbeds. Setting up camp is a breeze, taking just 15 minutes. It comes complete with a rain fly and a convenient carry bag for easy transport. Our WeatherTech system, featuring patented welded floors and protected seams, ensures you stay dry. The snag-free pole sleeves and Insta-clip attachments provide stability even in windy conditions. Relax in a separate screen room, a perfect bug-free space for lounging. It's designed to let in light while keeping water out. Crafted from durable 75D polyester taffeta and made with PFAS-free materials, this tent is built to last. Enjoy your outdoor experience with peace of mind. This spacious tent provides plenty of room for everyone. It's the ideal choice for families or groups seeking comfort and convenience outdoors. What we like. This tent offers a spacious interior for up to 6 people and sets up in just 15 minutes. Its standout feature is the separate screen room, providing a bug-free lounging area. If you enjoy camping and want extra space for relaxing without insects, or if you need a weatherproof tent that's quick to assemble, this is an excellent option. What people say. The cooler is very durable and can withstand rough handling. It keeps ice frozen for up to 5 days, even in hot weather. The lid seals tightly, preventing leaks and keeping the cold air inside. Number 1. Coleman Xtreme Rolling Cooler with Wheels. Keep your drinks and food cold for longer. Our advanced technology ensures ice stays frozen for up to 5 days, even in high temperatures. This cooler can hold up to 84 cans, making it ideal for any gathering or outdoor adventure. It's perfect for keeping everything you need chilled. Navigate any terrain with ease thanks to its durable wheels. It's designed for convenient transport to the beach, campsite, or on road trips. Emptying melted ice is simple with the leak-proof drain. No more tipping it over to get rid of water. The sturdy lid can support up to 250 pounds, providing extra seating when you need it. It's a practical addition for any outdoor activity. Pulling it is a breeze with the telescoping handle. It also allows for compact storage when not in use. What we like. This rolling cooler excels at keeping ice for up to 5 days, making it perfect for extended trips. Its durable wheels and telescoping handle ensure easy transport, even when fully loaded with its 84 can capacity. If you're planning a long camping trip, a tailgating event, or a beach outing where you need to keep a large quantity of drinks cold for days and want effortless mobility, this cooler is your best bet. What people say. The cooler boasts a robust and sturdy construction. The handles are strong and ergonomic, making it easy to carry, even when fully loaded. The lid is well insulated and seals tightly, which is essential for maintaining the internal temperature. With a 50-quart capacity, it was more than enough to store food for various catering gigs. Coleman claims it can keep ice for up to 5 days, and it lived up to this promise. Even after several days in 90 degrees Fahrenheit weather, our ice remained mostly intact, and all the content stayed cold. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.